Suppose from the last scenario, like suppose I have given you a application, let's say the e-commerce application. Now, what are the steps will be involved, like in deploying and managing containerized this type of containerized application in Kubernetes? So
Okay.
basically, I want to know the steps.
Okay, thank you for asking. So first of all, we have to define like which stack the application built in. For example, there are multiple stack, like for example, there are Python, then Node.js, Golang, and there are more Java as well. And there are many programming language as well. So depending on the programming language, we define the stack like which application it builds on. I mean, which programming language it's built on, and there are specific requirements for a specific programming language. For example, we have to, if we are going to deploy a Python-based application, we have to set up our environment depending on that. So we have to install Python in the system, then use the Python command to run the application. And on the other hand, if we are using the Node.js application, we have to use uh, configure the server according to that. But as we deployed the ecom deployment, which is the e-commerce deployment, that was built with JavaScript, which is needed the Node.js to run that application. So we have to use the Node.js as our base image, and as you may already remember that we use the Docker as our container. So we use the Node.js as the base image, then set up everything like what are the process going to, we have to install the dependencies, then we have to run the application, then upload in the Docker Hub, and then we can simply go anywhere on any server and just use that image that we just created, and we can run our application.
Yeah, thank you.